Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case, it will be this default one. However, no worries, because this operation looks kind of similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to clear your browser based on this tutorial. So let's enter the browser and then tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. In my case, it is this update icon, but no worries, just tap on it. And here, I forgot to say that we've got kind of two different ways to remove the data. We can do it in a kind of short and quick way, and we can also do it with the usage of the settings, and it is a deeper cleaning. So first of all, I'll show you the shorter one. So let's enter bookmarks and history, and then tap on the history section. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites, and if you want to remove only those, simply tap on clear and your device will remove it. However, I don't want to do it because I will use this section to prove you that the second way will also work. And the second way, as I said, it is a kind of a deeper cleaning, so we have to tap on the 4 dots again and tap on the settings. Here in the advanced, we've got clear browsing data, and as you can see here, we've got not only the browsing history as in the previous way, but also cookies, passwords, site settings, etc. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything and tap on clear data. If you're ready, tap on clear, and as you can see, we've got this information. Of course, we can enter the history to check. So let me do it. 4 dots icon, bookmarks and history, and as you can see right now it is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.